Drawing this eye is way easier than you think. Give me a couple of minutes to show you. So for the beginning we need two circles, and the smaller one is for the pupil, which needs to be black. As a whole, now I'm using this, I don't know what's the name for it, a blender, to blend and make it smooth looking, to make it more realistic. Around the eye has to be dark again because the eye is not flat. Drawing it as flat is the first and the last mistake that you can make, and we need to know that the outer space is like a dome, and inside in the center it's going inside the pupil, I mean. Now smoothly I'm going to add these lines. The way you see I'm doing it, this is gonna give the eye that illusion that it's a curved thing, not flat. And these lines have to be connected to the pupil and around the eye, the way you will see it. And in the middle, it's gonna give it like a highlight. Now don't forget to blend everything. We need it to look more realistic. Now with this eraser I will add some lines like a highlight, and the lines do not have to be straight or perfect, doesn't matter how they look, we just need to add them. Don't worry about the way you draw the eyes. The eyes are like fingerprints, they're different, doesn't matter how you do it, you just need to do it. You can't really say I'm drawing and adding the details of the eye like in the wrong way. Now, this is an important step. We are going to add the light reflection, which will give the eye the curve looking. I decided to color the eye. This is gonna be a blue eye. I'm using 3 shades of blue, and obviously the darker blue is for the darker parts and the light blue is for the highlights and the middle part of the eye. Nothing is really special about the coloring. This is so regular, not like a specific technique I'm using. Just do it the way I'm doing it in the video you see. And this is how it looks. Thank you for your time.